You can follow along with me in your book on page 203. This is problem number 4. The problem says 0.45 times 0.053. In this example, the number with the most digits is on the bottom. Remember, when you're multiplying decimals, it does not matter which one you put on top or the bottom. You begin by multiplying everything times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Write down your 5, carry your 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus your 1 is 13. Write down the 3, carry the 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Stop. Next, we're going to multiply everything times 5. Now that your 0 space holder is in place, you can take 5 times 5, which is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 4, which is 20, plus 2 is 22. Carry the next 2. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. The next task is we're going to add our numbers together. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus nothing is 2. Our final answer can be found by counting up the number of places after the decimal point in each number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 5 spots behind the decimal point. Start at the back of your answer and count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in this case, we have one empty space, which we can then put in a 0. So our final answer is going to be 0.02385. This example can be found on page 203 at the bottom of the page, letter D. You can choose which number you would like to put on the top, but the best way or the easiest way would be to put 0.32 at the top and 0.04 underneath it. In this case, the decimal points do line up. But remember, it does not matter. They just happen to line up in this problem. We'll start by taking everything times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. Write down the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Now your next step would be to multiply everything times 0. But because 0 times anything is 0, you technically can be done with multiplying. The color for the day is yellow. To finish this problem and get the final answer, you'll need to count up how many decimal spots there are behind each number. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a total of 4 spots I need to jump. I start at the back, jump forward 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I jump forward 4. In this case, I need to add in a 0 to account for an empty space. My final answer is 0.0128.